Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wa bihi nasta'im wa ala umiru dunya wadin wa salatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain amma ba'du. Good morning everybody. This is occasion going to tell you and title Panji Semirang. Once upon a time, there was a story in Javaland. There came from Raden Inu Kertapati, who was now a prince of Jenggala Empire. Everybody knew that he had a good-looking face so that loved, saying him. He had good attitude too. He was humble, kind, easygoing, wonderful, and honest. He used to help other people in these weekends although he was a prince. One day, Raden Inu Kertapati had a planning to visit the village who lived in other land. Kediri. He went there by having complete provision and employers. He and his employers had a pass with and deep jungle. On the way, they were blockaded of down of Negeri Asmarataka with led Panji Semirang. In that discussion, they had prepared the gun, but they did not fight after discussion. The leader of the felon asked him to meet Panji Semirang. His leader, Raden Inu Kertapati, was confused why he asked him. Raden asked the reason, but he did not get the facts explanation. But they kept being careful. After thinking some minutes, he decided to follow them. After getting in Panji Semirang Empire, Raden Inu Kertapati was welcomed wisely and well. Raden was hurt because he had ever heard that Negeri Asmarataka was a violent center, but it was different. Panji Semirang told that the only asked people to live in the empire is they did not win. He called not for them, but of them tall as friends as they had ever met before. Raden Inu Kertapati permitted to continue his planning to go Kediri. To meet his friends, Panji Semirang, knew that in Kediri there were two friends, Dewi Chandra Kirana and Dewi Ajeng. Raden Inu Kertapati said that he wanted to meet Dewi Chandra Kirana. Panji Semirang delivered him to the edge of his empire. Raden Inu Kertapati was welcomed happily in the Kediri village and Dewi Chandra Kirana family. But Dewi Chandra Kirana was not emperor. Raden Inu Kertapati asked about her. He was anxious and shocked after knowing that Dewi Chandra Kirana left the empire because he was amnesia. He was said, Dewi Liku has king, queen, and magic power that could make someone to follow the wanted. She met Raden as her one, so she asked Raden Inu Kertapati to get married with her daughter Dewi Ajeng. Raden Inu Kertapati was in magic is the follow her. The preparation of marrying Raden Inu Kertapati and Dewi Ajeng was in process. Their empire was discussed with much flowers and coconut leaf. Many flags in all sides of empire and also much food and beverages were served there. But the gods showed war. The great fire burned almost the empire. The village and employers were frightened. Suddenly, Raden Inu Kertapati rode the horse to leave the empire. After leaving the empire, his men came back as before. He remembered Dewi Chandra Kirana who had same face with Panji Semirang. He thought that they were same. He decided to come back to Negeri Asmarataka, but he did not meet her anymore. He continued to fight her toward Negeri Kekelekang. There they were happily by the villager and the king. The king had his ambition because there was a heaven, other legend and strategy leading they described negeri Gagelang, and the king asked him to describe the desert. He continued to far her toward negeri Gagelang. There they were come happily by the villager and the king. The king is helping because there was a help, other relation and stranger. Reading, they described the creature and the king asked him to destroy the taste. One day, the creature was attacked by the devils. Raden Inukartapati fought them by his magic power. The fight made Raden Inukartapati become the winner. The village were so happy, and so was the king. The king gave a present by holding party in 7 days for the winning. The king invited from Master Wuhan by the body lake. He read the poem about Dewi Chandrakirana and Raden Inukartapati. Raden Inukartapati's story showed how he was actually. Finally, Raden Inukartapati knew that the poem master was Dewi Chandrakirana and also Panji Semirang. He measured her so much. Dewi Chandrakirana told the Dewi Lik made her mean loss and threw her from the empire. She was discovered by power hermit. Raden Inukartapati married her. They were in the most larger wedding party in the empire. The village were happy to take a part. They lived happy forever.